Now here is how you can add a picture to the iPhone contact. So if you're new to Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course we have the Contacts app as usual, right? You can see plenty of different people. I have just some couple of examples of contacts, but in order to add an image to them, all you have to do is to make it show up in the full screen like that and click on the edit button in the top right corner. And when you click on this, you have the ability not only to change the name and the numbers and everything, but also add a photo. And when you click on this, you can see that we have like two types of photos, right? You can see at the top, we have the avatar and we also have the poster. So that's important because the avatar is the circular image, which you can set up for this little header. For example, inside of the messages right there, every single person has this little circle icon and you can customize that. This is the avatar. So if I come back to the contacts, I can choose that first, and this gives me the ability to use an emoji or text or something else, but I'm going to click on a picture and choose it from the photo library. I'm going to click on all and I'm going to find, I don't know, I'm going to choose an example like this camera mode, right? Whatever. And you can give it some effects like this. I'm going to click on choose. So I have the avatar, the circular image, but then I can switch over to the poster. And this is a little bit of a different thing. You can see this is the full screen image, which shows up when you are receiving call from them. So you can change it, right? You can choose it to be something else. Of course, it doesn't have to be that image. And right now I have chosen that. And when I hit it done, the image contains, or the picture contains of this circular image, and a poster is this nature picture. So when I save it, right, I'm going to click on it done, and you will have the ability to see that this is the thing which is attached to that person. So Bob has the background of the nature, but the contact photo is this little camera icon, right? So whenever I get a message from them, it's going to show up as the camera icon right there. But if they call me, I'm going to see the nature picture. So that's how you can add a picture to the contact. I hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.